We got a nice detached bungalow today that's 3-bedroom and 2 washrooms listed at $999,000 in Streetsville, seconds from Streetsville Go, and everything else that Streetsville has to offer. Let's go check it out. It is cold. I know the cameraman is cold, so we're gonna speed it up. But before we do, quickly just get a shot of the frontage here. Show them the lot there. Look at this tree. You got a massive big tree right in front of your house. Can you climb it? Nah, I could probably climb it, but maybe another day. Let's get my personality into this video a little bit. Okay, come on in. All right, I'll climb that tree another day. Now, this house comes with its own very nice door knocker piece. Not sure what these are called, but look at the detail. Very nice detail here. All jokes aside, it is a very good option for first-time buyers or investors because it does have rental income potential from the basement. Now, this is an older bungalow, age range, about a wartime home, so about 40 or about 50 years old, roughly. This does have the thinner hardwood floors that you see in the older homes. Show them the hardwood floors here a little bit. You see that it also has this gas fireplace. Builds a nice, comfy environment in here, I guess. You got these velvet couches, but they don't come with the house, unfortunately. Okay. Come to the kitchen, then we'll get to the bedrooms. So this house is a little dated. I get it, guys, it's dated, but there's a lot of potential here and it is move-in ready. So technically you really don't need to do anything right away, but I get it if you feel like it does need renovations. It's more just for the style of the home because it is in very good condition. You got the nice pantry over here. And then you got the full kitchen over here. White appliances, again, there's potential in this house. So look past some things that you may not like, but you got the full kitchen, very good size eat-in kitchen. Now, before we go any further, let's check out the bedrooms on this side. So the primary bedroom is actually down there, but we'll start with this one. We'll call this the second bedroom. We'll start with the second bedroom. Very good size windows, lots of light shining in. Let's go to the second bedroom. Another thing about these floors, guys, is that you can actually refinish them. You sand them and you refinish them to any stain color that you want. So just keep that in mind. We got the third bedroom, we'll say, because the primary is over there. Big window, lots of light shining in. We got the primary room. I'll come in to the primary room. Good size, decent size, good view. Nice, so some greenery in the background in the summertime. Pretty comfortable. And you have the full washroom right over here. All right, so we are gonna head to the basement now. But before I do, and we'll come outside later on, I just want to show you, it does have a detached garage, 2-car detached garage, and a pretty nice backyard space. Here is the separate entrance. So you want rental income? No problem. Here you got the separate entrance, and I'll show you this basement. It's a fun one here. You got to use your imagination a little bit. Okay, first part of the basement. Call it your living or dining. Also comes with this Victorian style fireplace. Good decoration, I guess. Okay. Second part of the basement, call this, again, your living or your dining space, you decide, or a bedroom. But the reason I'm not calling it a bedroom, you got to keep coming and taking a walk with me. Another bedroom over here, but we'll skip that right now. I want to show you guys the kitchen. So you got to walk through all those rooms to get to the kitchen. It's not ideal. It could be rearranged somehow without having to move the kitchen, but for now, the basement keeps going. It's a big basement because bungalows, they come with larger basements because the bungalow basement is pretty much the same size as the main floor square footage. So you're getting a lot more space to work with in a basement bungalow. But look at these countertops here, lots of countertops. Now, these guys, they did update the lower cabinets, but they have not updated the upper cabinets. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the backyard. Let's go outside. And if you have any questions, just drop a comment below. If you wanna know the monthly costs for something like this, just send me a message. But it's listed at $999,000 in Streetsville, seconds. Literally seconds to the Streetsville GO station. Take one last look. Let's walk through here. Take one last look here. Very nice, very nice. Okay, let's put on our shoes. Yeah, and head to the backyard so I can show you the lot a little bit, okay? Let's go. One thing I want to show you guys. You see the house across the street? It shows you that you have the option of rebuilding on these lots here. So yes, the house itself may not have all the bells and whistles you want, but it has so much potential that you could build something like that on this lot. So let's keep going. I want to show you guys the backyard. They did some brick work on the driveway. The only thing about this stuff is that once the grass starts growing from in between, it is a tough job. It is a tough job. But I guess home ownership, it's a tough job to begin with. There's a lot of responsibilities that comes with home ownership. that you wouldn't even realize until you own a home. So this is the detached garage. This gate would open up here. Let's move back a little bit. You see this double gate here? This would open up for your car to come in. I mean, the driveway itself can fit about 4 cars. Then you have a 2-car detached garage. And very quickly, I'm gonna show you guys the backyard. Check it out, it's a pretty good sized backyard. Let's keep going, let's keep going. Watch your step, it's a little slippery. Look at this backyard, massive, show them. Huge backyard, very good size, amazing property to entertain your family and friends in, or to purchase as an investment for some rental income. If you have any questions, just let me know. Look at the back of the house. I just want to show you guys if you guys can catch it, right? It's a little bit of a raised bungalow from the back. But yeah, this is listed at $999,000 with some potential rental income. Can't really go wrong. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you like seeing more property tours like this, let me know. If there's any topics that you want me to cover that I haven't covered on my channel, feel free to let me know. Hope you guys enjoyed. Until the next one.